Are you planning to buy your first home and looking for ways to save money? Well, here's a tip. Don't overlook first-time homebuyer programs. These programs are designed to help you with down payments and closing costs. They often have more flexible requirements, which can make the dream of homeownership more achievable. So why not take advantage of these programs? Remember, becoming a homeowner for the first time doesn't have to break the bank. With the right program, you can make your dream come true. Have you considered expanding your options? This isn't a trick question. It's a golden nugget of advice. Let's talk about condos and townhomes. With home prices on the rise and inventory dwindling, these alternatives can provide a viable route to homeownership. They may be smaller in size, but don't let that fool you. These properties can be powerhouses when it comes to building equity. Imagine owning a cozy condo in the heart of the city or a charming townhome in a friendly neighborhood. Sounds pretty good, right? Not only do you get to enjoy the perks of homeownership, but you're also investing in your future. Each mortgage payment is like putting money in your own personal equity bank. And let's not forget about the added benefits: less maintenance, community amenities, and often a prime location. So while it might not be the traditional house, condos and townhomes can be a great start on your path to homeownership. Ever thought about pooling your resources to buy a home? Well, it's a concept that's been gaining traction, and for good reason. Imagine collaborating with friends or family members to purchase a home together. It's like forming your own mini real estate syndicate. This approach can significantly ease the financial burden that comes with homeownership. Instead of shouldering all the costs alone, you get to share them. Property taxes, maintenance expenses, utility bills, they all become more manageable when split among multiple people. But the benefits don't stop there. With multiple incomes contributing to the mortgage, qualifying for a larger loan becomes feasible. This can be a game changer, particularly in today's competitive market where every extra dollar counts. So why not consider this strategy? It's about working together to achieve a common goal. After all, teamwork makes the dream work, right? Pooling resources to buy a home can be a smart move. It allows you to share the financial responsibilities and still achieve your dream of homeownership. Ready to take the plunge into homeownership? Remember, there's a whole world of strategies out there to help you navigate this journey. From helpful first-time homebuyer programs to considering condos and townhomes as a stepping stone, you've got options. And don't forget about the power of pooling resources. Buying a home with friends or family can make that dream home a reality. Exploring these strategies can make the journey of buying your first home more manageable and accessible. Reach out when you're ready to explore your options further. Remember, the key to saving money on your first home is to think outside the box.